How to connect Facebook with Ludo King. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to connect Facebook with Ludo King. Connecting Facebook with Ludo King is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Ludo King app on your mobile device. On the main screen, look for your profile. If you are already logged in with your Facebook app on your device, Ludo King will automatically prompt you to connect. Tap on Login with Facebook. Enter your Facebook credential, email or phone number and password if required. And tap on Login or Continue. You might be asked to grant permission for Ludo King to access your Facebook profile. Tap on Allow or Continue to grant permission. After successfully logging in, your Facebook account will be connected to Ludo King. By connecting with Facebook, you can play with friends, save your game progress and earn reward. And here you go, that's how you can connect on Facebook. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.